Sell Site Lease Stocks by www.profitableinvestingtips.com. There are a number of profitable approaches to cell site tower lease investing. One is the purchase of cell site lease stocks. A recent article in the news pointed out the effect of low interest rates on retirement savings. It used to be that $1 million was a great nest egg. But when savings account and CD interest rates are less than 1%, retirees need to look for a better rate of return on their retirement nest egg. Otherwise, they will need to withdraw capital every year for living expenses, not to mention long-desired and deserved travel. Cell site lease stocks are much like dividend stocks that one can purchase on the NYSE or NASDAQ. They have a stable value based on both the underlying property and the lease payments, and they typically pay a dividend based on lease payments. With better retirement income in mind, here are a few thoughts about both creating and investing in cell site lease stocks. The cell tower lease, the industry, and the opportunity. Cell phone companies use relay masts to provide unbroken signal coverage throughout their phone grids. These cell sites are on the tops of hills, buildings, and tall towers, and provide line-of-sight connection from tower to tower. Phone companies own about 7% of these sites in the USA and lease the rest. Leases are commonly for 25 years and often have an escalator clause that provides for routine increases in lease payments. Cell Tower Gold estimates that there are about 370,000 such sites and leases in the USA which may be available for sale, rehab, resale, and securitization under the right circumstances. One can simply purchase a property and the lease and collect payments, or one can purchase, rehab, and sell for a profit. Having an eventual buyer lined up makes the whole process easier and commonly more profitable. And one can collect a large number of these leases and create shares of stock based on the properties and lease payments. One can create cell site lease stocks, or one can simply buy cell site lease stocks. Investing in cell site lease stocks. A veteran investor will always want to do his fundamental analysis of an investment before purchasing. To get up to speed on the cell tower site lease industry and related investment opportunities, take the course offered by Cell Tower Gold. You may want to go into the business of buying and selling cell tower leases. Or if you are retired and you want to gain a better rate of return on your retirement nest egg, consider buying cell site lease stocks. Looking for an investment opportunity that helps you grow your nest egg even in retirement? Look into cell site lease stocks. Or if you are interested in how to be more actively involved in this industry, listen to what Cell Tower Gold has to say. If you would like more information about this amazing and unique opportunity, please join our mailing list. We will be sending more information over the next few weeks in our newsletter. For more insights and useful information about investments and investing, visit www.profitableinvestingtips.com.